COVID, some schools were closed down, but they have recent certificates, every appellant. So suppose that will not erase my history. The school's old, I am not asking today's UDICE number. I am asking the UDICE number of that period. I have my matric admission admit card, roll number is there. My school is closed. My roll number will not get erased.
All right. All right. All right. Yes. Yes. Okay.
It pays for 1/4. Additional.
This cannot be decided today.
On top of that, I am not taking lordship's time. I know Lord, there's a time constraint today.
Mr. Kalra, today we have a reference.
I understand.
For which the court has to be, arrangements have to be made in court number 1.
We understand, Lord.
So I think it will have to go on another date.
Look, there's one apprehension, a problem that I would be I would want to submit before my Lord, my Lord. There is absolutely no problem if it goes to another day, my Lord. But there's some interim order that was there, operated before the learned single judge, my Lord. So the point really is this, my Lord. Now the stage is where there is a second provisional list which has come out. Now, if all the appointment letters are issued, my Lord, this will become an academic matter altogether. And more importantly, my Lord, after the passing of learned single judge's order, I am saying this with responsibility, I produced it on record. The Honorable Supreme Court was seized of exactly the same matter, and I argued that with responsibility, I am saying, after the learned single judge's order. And on the basis of what should be the document which has to be seen as an in-service document, the Honorable Supreme Court has given a finding. So therefore, my Lord, we will be able to substantiate that because the Honorable Supreme Court, after the single judge's order, has relied upon one document to say that yes, undisputedly they are in service. This is the line from the Honorable Supreme Court's order for the state of Telangana, for the state of Orissa, because this is an all-India issue. Every state except state of Assam has followed the same procedure. Every state. So therefore, my Lord, I will not come in the way for some other day, but some interim protection needs to be granted, my Lord, because this matter cannot be academic, cannot be left to be academic in nature, specifically when throughout I have enjoyed an interim order before the learned single judge.
Again,
and all that I am saying,
incorrect statement.
1 second, please let me complete. I didn't interrupt when you were speaking. And I'll be very fair to the court, my Lord. I am not even saying whenever my Lord want to have the matter, let the appointment letters not be issued to anyone. That is my only request, and I don't think Evans will.
We are absolutely jittery at this prayer. We can't stall the process.
Then very well. Then
absolutely jittery.
At least 98 posts may be kept reserved, my Lord.
And there are some applicants also that have come in, my Lord.
Don't worry, they cannot fill up 5,500 posts.
Because they are doing it. They are doing it.
They can't. At least 100 posts they should not fill up.
My Lord may not underestimate the government. So, my Lord, and I will satisfy, my Lord, whatever questions have come in, we have direct answers for that.
Mr. A.G., what is your response to this prayer that 100 posts should be kept reserved?
I more than that, there are some applicants also.
Subject to the outcome of this writ petition.
Yes.
My submission is very clear. Prima facie, they have not been able to justify their claim. Prima facie, from their own records. It is not that we are producing records. They are not being able to justify their own claim. Prima facie, no case is made out for any interim order. That is number one. Number two, Lordship, we are going ahead with the recruitment process. There was an interim order that was also vacated at one point of time. It was not all along the interim order was pursuing. Number three, Lordship, if it is a case of 100, all subsequent vacancies have arisen during this time. This recruitment process started in 2023, December. We have lot of other vacancies. Number three. Number four, whoever is appointed out of that 5,500, Lordship, we can write a line that will be subject to final outcome of this writ appeal. So, but still I am objecting to giving a blanket protection to them against 100 posts.
Then can I request for one? Can I request for one thing? Can my Lords have it on Monday for consideration of the interim protection?
Just a minute. This time you have advertised for how many posts?
Lordship, this is an old advertisement of
Old advertisement is for how many posts?
5,000,
5,500.
5,500.
And how many have you issued notification?
The appointment order has not been issued. We are at the final stage on 9th. On 9th or 10th, we are going to complete the recruitment process.
And thereafter the notification.
Thereafter the notification. Lordship may take up this on Monday 10th.
Very, my lord, may take it up on this Monday, my lord.
And
And regarding their additional pleadings now, that regarding NIOS, all these things.
all right, no. We will hear you on. We will hear all of you on 10th of November.
Lordship.
My lord, there is, can I just take 30 seconds if my lord would comment? My lord, if the process is completed by then, my lord, then what will remain? If my lord may,
Doesn't matter. Before notification, we'll say it will be subject. We will decide it on that date.
my lord,
Today, we would have done it today, but
I
for the
understand.
fact that there is 10. And this, if you're asking for next Monday, this
Milord, out
quote
of
is not available. This
500 posts, 100 posts will not make much of a difference, Milord. Only 100, Milord.
On
Till-
10th,
till
Lordship
that
will
day.
hear the matter.
no, I'm, my lord, and,
Coming Monday.
No, coming Monday, this bench is not available. If you want, we can send it to another bench.
No, Lord.
We will send it to
my
another
lord,
bench.
can it be any day prior to 10th? The problem,
No, that's what I'm saying, Milord. Let them finalize everything. Let them not give the final appointment order.
It shall not come. It shall not come on 10. They are concluding it by
no,
10.
my lord, they'll be issuing appointment letters on before 10th. That is what they are
They
saying.
will not issue appointment order. At least no
Yes,
third party
let them
right
say
will be
that.
created.
Lordship, may I just interfere? There is a concerted move against this government to stall this
No,
recruitment
I'm
process.
sorry, my lord, I oppose such kind of submissions. I'm sorry, my lord, I will be able to
You may
satisfy
be
our
sorry,
rights.
that is not my issue. I have to,
And my lord,
I'm addressing the court.
every state in the country is following one norm. Only state of Assam is having 10 more documents to bring in. On what basis?
Milord, this prescription is only prescribed in Assam, in no other states in
I
India.
have put the,
Assam
This is again,
has its,
in,
just
No,
just
let,
let me
let me counter this.
I have produced the
All
notice
these
hold on for a
documents were
minute.
required.
Just
for
hold on.
every state
There
has
is a
got
just hold-
notification on
please.
record.
large level of fraud.
Please, let me respond to this.
Lordship.
Let me respond to this, not the parties. Now, every state is peculiar in its settings. So therefore, that cannot be a...
Lord, I have an answer to that. My lord, it is a central government course. Every state followed the procedure laid down by the central
All
government.
right, we will give you a detailed hearing, fix it as first matter.
Because
My lord, but prior to
25
10th, my
list
lord,
3,
we missed the
Milord,
bus.
this state is supposed to follow the central prescription.
Let's see. We will... Huh?
No, the interim protection, my lord, with all due respect, my lord, will become infructuous if there is no interim protection. Any day prior to 10th, if my lords would consider any day, especially at 2 o'clock if possible, my lord. Any day.
We can keep it on 11th. We can keep it on 11th as the first case.
Yes.
My lord, can I just make one last request?
Some interim protection.
My lord,
Interim protection means everything, then everything goes.
my lord, can I make
Milord.
one last
It will be-
request?
It will be taken up on 11.
Yes.
Milord, this matter was delayed because the other day they have taken time.
No, it was not that. I
The other
taken
day-
time. The repetition was not there. Again, the incorrect submission. Repetition was not annexed with the appeal. That is why the matter was taken up again.
My lord, we
But
are,
that point the other side has already pointed out. Read petition is still not there.
If we would highly appreciate, and we would be in a better position to adjudicate if this courtroom is not converted into a battleground. This is our, the entire energy is focused towards, stopping people.
The only thing is, as a lawyer representing this
That's right.
candidates, Milord,
That's
I'm
right.
making that prayer. Otherwise, Milord, tomorrow.
We are giving this priority only for the reason that we are, as you would have seen, interim protection I do only when it is urgent
or at
and we are
least in
satisfied.
observation, any appointment may be subject to the outcome of the writ appeal.
Well,
That he
that
says
is-
that he will.
my lord, that kindly record that, my lord. Kindly
Yes.
record
Can you
that.
record that, Milord?
Mr. AG, you agree for that?
No problem at all, Lordship. In fact, that was what I was saying also.
And all appointment letters will carry this, my lord.
Thank you.
And the appointment orders will carry that, Milord.
TVS.
Prescription.
Arguments could not be concluded today. arguments could not be concluded today. All these matters shall be heard on 11th of November. Place all these cases in priority. Only one case. List this case on 11th of November in priority. In the meantime, if at all appointment letters are issued by the state, it would be made clear that it would be subject to the outcome of the writ petition.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
Was the writ appeal?
Deeply obliged.
वो वाला मेरे पास दे देना, अभी वो reserve है. Any other matter?
Grateful, Lord.
We could have finished it today, but for the fact is that next week this bench would not be available.
Okay.
You
The
understand?
next week the bench is sitting at Aizol.
You understand the difficulty?
Can it be done, but it can be here.
Even a hybrid hearing is possible, my lord. We'd be more than happy to have a hybrid hearing, if possible.
We'll consider that possibility next time, when I'm going to outline High Court.
Light work will not outline benches.
All right, on 11th as first case.
Will not trouble your lordships in outlying bench.
As first.
No, physical hearing would be much better.
Yes.
Mr.
Yes,
AG,
Lordship. I am
make us-
also abroad next week, Lordship, whole week.
No, on 11th you would be available, no?
I am available. Next whole week, till 9th I am not available. I am out of the country.
Oh, so physical hearing would be.
On 11th, Lordship.